Pigeon-proofing solar panels. Leeds pigeons wreak havoc on solar panels, causing damage and decreasing efficiency in unexpected ways. Pigeon droppings can corrode your panels. Protecting them is essential for maintaining their efficiency and durability. Imagine waking up to incessant scratching sounds from your roof as birds invade your solar panels. Upon arrival, our technicians assess the situation meticulously to ensure all safety measures are in place. Removing nests and debris completely not only restores your solar panels but also enhances their function. With attachment of stainless steel mesh, we ensure pests like squirrels and pigeons cannot access your panels. Using advanced pure water technology, we clean your solar panels, leaving them spotless and fully operational. Our fail-safe approach guarantees that once the pests are gone, they won't return to your rooftop sanctuary. Your solar panels are safeguarded for years to come, ensuring your investment thrives without worry. For more information, call now on 03330 389936.